Good afternoon students, this is Shikha Arora in front of you and today we will do writing formal mails. Yeah, you know mails, it's a just now very common way of doing communication. So officially and personally we are just adopting this method. So let's come to start with me writing formal mails. Very good afternoon students. Understand the basics of mail writing. What are the goals while we read this chapter? Comprehend the format of email writing. Use appropriate language and style for writing mails. Compose a clever, effective email, electronic mail. Okay. So, learning objectives: identify difference between informal, semi-formal and formal emails. Okay, so let's do introduction. There has a revolution in the manner and method of communication in the last few decades. The internet has made instantaneous communication a part of everyday life. Writing and posting letters is no longer a viable option. It's few nowadays of writing letters. The most common and preferred method of informal and formal communication in the modern world is the email. Okay, that is electronic mail. An email can be used as an inter-office or internal written communication, office to office or inside the office for communication tool, or it can be sent to someone outside the company or institution. However, there are differences in language and style used in an informal, semi-formal and formal mail. So, we have three types, that is informal, semi-formal and formal. In our syllabus, we just cover formal mail. Informal, yes, they are sent to friends and relatives, like we were sending letters to our friends and to our relatives. Same, there are no rules to be followed. You can use a casual, informal language, slangs, abbreviation can be used. No particular style of writing is required to be followed. However, the purpose of the mail and message should be clear. Yeah, there is no particular format. Any type of language that you wanna use, you can use, but message should be clear. What you want to say, this message should be clear to receiver. Informal mail, okay, that is now semi-formal mail. These are addressed to colleagues functioning within a team or at the same seniority level. The people who are your colleague, with whom you have the same level, when you are addressing to them, you can write semi-formal mail. The email can be brief and the language can be casual and friendly, but maintaining decorum is essential and the purpose of the mail and message should be clear. Of course, message should be clear. Either it's a informal mail or it's a semi-formal mail or formal mail, message should be clear. Informal mail we can write to just our friends, our relatives, uncle, aunt, that is our kith and kin, we can say. We can write to them, that is informal mail, and we are not to follow any type of method, any type of language we can clear, even abbreviations and all that slang language. And semi-formal, yeah, we have to maintain some decorum because we are sending to our colleague, our team members and all that people. Next is formal mail. They are addressed to people within and outside the organization. Addressed to people within and outside the organization. Therefore, style and language should be formal. The purpose should be clear and content lucid and precise. Follow all etiquettes of formal communication. Formal communication, of course, in a official mails, in a business mail, we have to follow, we have to write formal mails. Okay. So, the format, name of person sending the mail, you know that all of you just mostly you do this mail. So, in the starting, the from, we have the format of all that, from, to, CC, BCC. Okay, I just tell you what is this. What is CC? What do you mean by CC? CC is carbon copy. And what do you mean by BCC? That is blank carbon copy. B stands for blank. It's a blank carbon copy. So what do you mean by CC, BCC, and is there any difference between these two? Yes, it is a difference between these two. So carbon copy, the same mail being sent to other individual with their email ID is visible to all in the group. Suppose I am sending mail to all of my CA students and just CC, I am mentioning the name, then you all will come to know, okay, ma'am has sent mail to that person also, that student also. Okay, so it is clear, it is visible to all in the group, all group members, the person who are getting mail, they will come to know that to whom ma'am has sent a mail, that is CC. Okay, जिसमें नेम जिसमें पता चल रहा है कि और किसको मेल भेजी गई है ना, उनकी ईमेल आईडीज भी आएंगी. एंड द BCC blank carbon copy. I have sent mail to all the students, but BCC I have mentioned, then you will not come to know who is the another one to whom I have sent a mail, I have sent a mail or I have not sent a mail. So this is the difference, and any option you can choose, either CC or BCC. So blank carbon copy, the names and email IDs of the BCC receivers is not visible, okay, but her ID is visible to the BCC receivers. Okay, subject that always plays an important part. Subject should be written. Okay, salutation, dear sir, hello sir, dear ma'am, hi, okay, and hi all if addressed to a group of people, yeah, because and mostly we just write dear or respected, and hi all when we are just mentioning all group members. जब हम एक कॉमन सैल्यूटेशन दे रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, देन इट इज़ ओके. BCC इज अ ब्लैंक कार्बन कॉपी. ब्लैंक कार्बन कॉपी. द नेम्स एंड email IDs of the BCC receiver is not visible. Okay. What do you mean by CCC? When I am sending mail to all of you, so if just CC option I have choose, then it would be visible, that it would be visible, all IDs would be visible there कि Parul ID, Keval ID, Tamanna ID, okay, Ravina ID that ma'am has sent. You will come to know. सृष्टि आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैम ने नितिका को भी मेल की है, पारुल को भी मेल की है. इन CCC कार्बन कॉपी दैट it would be clear, but in the BCC it is not clear that just I have sent mail to everybody, but I have optioned that BCC, then you will not come to know that who is the another person who has received the mail. Is it clear? Is it clear? CCC कार्बन कॉपी सबको पता चलता है, सबकी आईडीज़ होती हैं जो जो उस मेल को रिसीव कर रहा है. BCC में भी बहुत लोगों को हम भेज सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ नॉट शॉन, इट इज़ नॉट विजिबल दैट यू विल नॉट कम टू नो. एग्जैक्टली, वेरी गुड. ओके, सो सैल्यूटेशन. Okay, you know that salutation, main body, contents main content. Opening paragraph should outline the main idea, reason for the mail. Okay, it should be very concise. तो हमें कुछ भी फालतू का नहीं लिखना है. Opening paragraph में you have to just clear the main idea. Following paragraphs give relevant details. Closing, make a concluding statement, recommendation to address the issue or problem, suggestion on the timeline for resolving the issue and delegating responsibility to selected individual. Attachment, give a list of documents attached. Yeah, when we want to attach any document, so we give the attachment, you know very well. Signature line, include signature, name and designation of sender. It may include email address and telephone number for convenience. Writing end, be clear about the purpose. It is too much clear what is the purpose of writing mail, and it should be clear in the first paragraph. Make points about information, tone and language should be suitable. Use your official ID. है ना. For work related mail, don't use your personal IDs, official. Keep the mail short, simple. Short sentences should be used. State the subject, so that it should be just quite clear that why you are writing a mail. Use separate paragraph or paragraphs बनाने हैं. Include pie charts, graphs, follow charts, etc. to present information. Okay. The content of the mail should be logically and systematically. Don't write the entire mail in a capital letter. It is like shouting at the top of your voice. Yes, this is very important point, and I also wanna say this. I have seen a lot of the students, they write all the mails or whatever capital. When you are writing, when a message also, if you are writing in a whole capital letter, it means you are getting angry to that person and you are just trying to shout. Capital letter can be utilized to highlight certain points, but should be used judicially. Okay, where it is necessary, according to punctuation we can use, or highlight, you want to just highlight any word, then you can use, otherwise no. Okay, highlight, underline the key points so that the reader can skim through the mail and get an idea. Take special care of the tone of the mail. Ensure you are polite. Proofread your mail before you send it. When framing a reply to received mail, ensure you answer the queries or request in it. Okay, don't use slang language. So these are, chaliye we just do one example. Here is a one example. The following are some examples of, chaliye, informal, semi-formal or formal mails. We have the example. Amit Suri has recently been promoted to the post of senior manager. He receives a congratulatory mail from his sister, his colleagues and his general manager. देखिए sister से आया, फिर colleague से आया, फिर general manager से आया. So that from sister has come, that is of course informal. So we just have written to, किसको भेजा जा रहा है, Amit Suri. Yeah, we just mention here. It would be given in your exam the name. After that CC we can just blank. Okay, subject congratulations. Hi Amit, we are just mentioning salutation here. Hi Amit, we just got the super news of your promotion. I am so excited and thrilled. Like you send a message to your friend, simply आप जब message भेजते हैं WhatsApp, but ये थोड़ा सा you have to follow the rules only. A big party is due from you, and of course gifts for your loving sis. Mom and dad too are overjoyed. They are very proud, their hardworking son. They send you their love and blessings. You are looking forward to your visit. We are looking forward to your visit home so that we can have a grand celebratory party. Your affectionately Jyoti, because with whom we have a blood relation और अफेक्शन है, जिनके साथ हमारा लगाव है. सो वी कैन यूज़ योर अफेक्शनेटली. दिस इज़ अ इनफॉर्मल, आई थिंक, या देयर इज़ नो डाउट. या नेक्स्ट here now semi formal, colleague. Okay, so to see all that, subject, congratulations on your promotion. Hi Amit, I just got to hear of your promotion to the post of senior manager. Please accept my heartiest congratulations. It is little bit formal. Your hard work and dedication have been rewarded. You surely deserve the recognition and responsibilities of the position. All team members are elated that you have been selected from our team. पहले से ही सबको विश्वास था. Okay, we are surely looking forward to a party for you at your earliest convenience. Regards, Sumit Chaudhary, team member. Now that will come in our exam, that is a formal one, this one. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, so same to Amit Suri. Okay, CC or BC, we can just leave blank. Subject, what is the subject? Promotion to the post of senior manager. Promotion to the post of senior manager. Okay, so dear Amit Suri, yeah, now just in a very formal, very concise language you have to do. I am pleased to apprise you of your promotion to the post of a senior manager in the production department. You have been with Hindalco Industries for the past 7 years and have proved your worth time and again. Your dedication, hard work and willingness to take on new initiatives has been recognized and appreciated by your seniors. You have implemented procedures which have improved efficiency in your department and been recognized for outstanding achievement. Please accept my congratulations on your promotion. Regards, this. Okay, is it okay? Okay, next we have one more. This is Sushil Kumar, a project manager, shall be discounting his service in the organization and wants to hand over project. One person is a Sushil Kumar. It means you can say that you are Sushil Kumar, okay, and you are a project manager, shall be discounting his service in the organization and wants to hand over. You are writing to Mr. Anil Malhotra. आप इसमें CC, BCC, yes, you can write a name also here. Mr. Satish Kumar, Mr. Ranjit Prasad, that is subject handover of ABC project. आप एक project है उसको handover करना चाहते हैं, एक official mail you people are writing. So dear Mr. Malhotra, this is for your information that I would be discounting my service in this organization dated this. I am mailing to let you know that the project ABC is 70% complete and requires some more efforts on our behalf in the next 1 month to wrap it up. Complete करने के लिए 70% complete है, complete करने के लिए एक और month चाहिएगा. Okay, as I am on my last week of notice period, I would like to hand over the project details to you so that you can take it forward from this juncture. I have sent the required emails to the client informing them of the change in point of contact starting 2nd June 2017. They would be communicating directly with you. Hence, I am sending the required files attachment with the mail. मतलब जो mail मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ वो mail CC BCC मैं उन्हें भी भेज रहा हूँ. Please get back to me in case you require any clarification regarding the project. So that is. Okay, so we have seen the example of 4 mails. First was informal, semi-formal and formal. 2 mail examples we have just read out. Now just we will do. No, from automatically it comes. Now from automatically when you just send mail, so you are not to mention here, automatically it comes from. आप खुद की email ID से देते हैं ना, तो वो जिससे आप भेज रहे हैं that comes. Is it clear Ravina? So you are not to mention here, आपको नहीं लिखना होता है. Okay, so difference between a well written and poorly structured mail. So first देखिए subject tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Is it going to clear from tomorrow? बिल्कुल कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा tomorrow से. As you know, tomorrow afternoon we all are meeting to discuss the status of all the new assignment. We are preparing for the students for the coming session. So first mail is not drafting nicely, but in the second mail if you see subject material required for with staff meeting, Wednesday staff meeting, आपको subject clear हो रहा है क्या material चाहिए. Hi everyone मतलब ये सबके लिए है. For tomorrow 3 PM staff meeting in the conference room. Please bring copies of the following material. क्या क्या चाहिए? Assignment चाहिए, 1 page report चाहिए, list of goals for the next month, copies of any message you have sent to team. You are also requested to submit the finalized assignment for printing to Miss Vridhima at the reception. If you don't find her at her desk, please email them to her later. See you tomorrow. This. Okay, chaliye we do practically now. I'm just taking the first one. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मी. You are Mr. Pradeep Kumar, General Manager, Surbhi Furnishings. You provide furniture and other furnishing to large business. Writer mail to Mr. Naveen Bansal, proprietor, Chelsea chain of restaurants offering your latest range of products at a discounted price. So here we go. Yeah, here we go. This is our mail. So what is this? You are Mr. Pradeep Kumar, General Manager. Okay. So you are Mr. Pradeep Kumar, General Manager, Surbhi Furnishing. Okay. You provide furniture and other furnishing to large business. Write a mail to Mr. Naveen Bansal. देखिए write a mail to, तो to कौन है? Mr. Naveen Bansal, proprietor, chain of restaurant. Okay. Offering your latest range of products at a discounted prices. Is it clear? Firstly, it should be clear. Read 2 or 3 times and after that underline this. Okay. It is clear. Sometimes we just read, we just glance and we are not able to understand and we start writing. No, please give 1 minute, read out once, twice or thrice and after that you just highlight that, okay, you are Pradeep, this one I am writing to this mail and what about, what I do, I just provide furniture and offering the latest range of products and discount का भी मुझे कुछ जिक्र करना है. So that is you will come to know. चलिए now we start. Okay, so what is to, है ना, to कौन है? Who is to here? Mr. Naveen Bansal. Is it? Is it? So to whom we are just giving? To Mr. Anil Bansal. Okay. Next here, CC, BCC. CC, BCC. It's not a matter you are writing name or not, but you have to mention this topic. It will take a marks, of course. So what that is? Achha, students have sent the subject. Offering latest range of products at discount, okay, and subject offers on furniture and furnishing. Dear Naveen Bansal, ठीक है. Subject offering latest product of a discount. Dear Naveen Bansal. Subject offering the latest range of products. तो ओके हाँ, CC BCC में यू कैन मेंशन एनी नेम, दैट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट डील। और अगर हम स्पेशल उन्हें लिख रहे हैं देन इट्स ओके। इफ़ वी आर writing to everybody then to all team members, but here we are just writing to Mr. Naveen Bansal, dear Mr. Naveen Bansal। नहीं, डियर के साथ आप मिस्टर मत लगाइए ना। ओके चलिए, वी कैन डियर मिस्टर बंसल, देन डियर मिस्टर बंसल, डियर मिस्टर नवीन बंसल नहीं होगा, डियर मिस्टर बंसल या डियर नवीन बंसल, डियर नवीन बंसल और डियर मिस्टर बंसल। एम आई राइट? यस। ऑफरिंग द लेटेस्ट रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, ठीक है। ओके, सो वी आर जस्ट मेंशनिंग हियर सब्जेक्ट, offering the latest range of products, okay, at a discounted price we can mention here, or with discount we can mention, yes, offering the latest range of products. After that, dear Naveen Bansal, yeah, dear Mr. Bansal, we are just writing here, dear Mr. Bansal, yeah, dear Naveen Bansal, very good. Okay, now how will we start? Yes, what would be the starting line? How will we start? This mail, अच्छा, this mail is in reference to our new discounting scheme which would be provided on all our outlets, ठीक है। This mail is in reference to our, okay, very good. Any other thing, students? What should be the starting line? Yes, may I have your attention, students? Please tell. We can mention here variety of furniture offered by Surbhi Furnishing. You are free to check our website. Yes, yes, please students tell. Okay, Srishti has sent one more. There are varied range of discounting under a discounting policy for all our regular customers. Okay, or we can just give any figure also, any discount also. We can just mention on chairs we have this much discount, and on these amount of chairs we have this ratio of discount, like that. This also we can mention in our bullets. %50 discount is to be provided on furniture and also 20% more on immediate cash payments. We can just mention this ratio also. It looks very authentic when we are mentioning this percent on this percent on this. Okay, so how would we close our mail? What will you write? Yeah, mostly same, thanks and regards. It is written always thanks and regards, thanks and regards. So who is writing thanks and regards? This scheme would be taken in process from TCAP time mention कर सकते हैं, very good. Thanks and regards, Pradeep Kumar, General Manager, and you can write company name also. Is it? Very good, Srishti. You have framed very nicely Excellent. Okay, so we have just some value points. Subject, new offers on okay, opening paragraph, offer special discount, detail your trendy, stylish and durable products. Yeah, we can give details also. We have these type of chairs or tables. Affirm that you are the first in the industry to introduce these state of art products, unique for decoration. We can just say chandelier. We have a good variety of chandelier. So what do you mean by chandelier? झूमर जो decoration के काम आता है, that is called chandelier. So these type of products, just we are art products, we are the first one who those are launching in industry, but be persuasive, convincing customer to be the first to use the product, and that's attract. Mention your website. Yeah, you can mention like we can say you are free to check our this website, and you can see, you can take overview of that. Request to place order at the earliest. Okay, this is clear for you. Next we have write a mail to Mr. Santosh Desai. Okay, I just write down. Okay, but we have next one. Write a mail. To whom we are writing? Yes. Write a mail to Mr. Santosh Desai. Okay, so we are writing a mail to Mr. Santosh Desai. Responding to his query about the availability of cosmetics and toiletries in your manufacturing unit. What is your unit name? Shimmer and Shine. You are Mr. Manohar Singh, marketing head of the company. Yes. So what is this? Write a mail to Mr. Santosh Desai responding to his query about the availability of cosmetics and toiletries in your manufacturing unit Shimmer and Shine. Okay, so you are Mr. Manohar Singh and your designation is कौन है आप? Marketing head of the company, and that company is that manufacturing unit is that Shimmer and Shine, and you have to write a mail to Mr. Santosh Desai. So is it clear? This is a from, this is a to. Okay, this is the designation, and what is the subject? Responding about the availability of these items. So it should be clear. You have to take out all things whatever is given you. So we will start. How will we start? Yes students, 2 हम 2 से शुरू करेंगे. टू से हमने शुरू किया. वेरी गुड. टू मिस्टर संतोष Desai. Okay. Subject. Hanji. What is subject? Responding to query placed. नहीं, और सब्जेक्ट बताइए मुझे प्लीज़. फर्स्टली सब्जेक्ट. Subject, yes. Availability of cosmetics and toiletries in your manufacturing unit. You received any query and now you are responding. Reply to query against letter number this. Okay. Responding to his query. अच्छा, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि उसने लेटर से ही पूछा है. शी मे हैव आस्क्ड बाय मेल आल्सो, सो वी कैन मेंशन एनीथिंग. रिप्लाई टू क्यूरी या क्यूरी अबाउट अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स. रिप्लाई टू क्यूरी, हाँ, फॉर अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स. यस, रिप्लाई टू क्यूरी फॉर availability of cosmetics and toiletries. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, dear ma'am we can use, dear Santosh Desai we can use. Yes, of course. So dear, yeah. अच्छा, फॉर मैम नहीं, सॉरी, मिस्टर है ही. ओके, सो डियर मिस्टर देसाई. या इट्स, आई थॉट इट्स डियर मिस्टर देसाई और डियर संतोष देसाई वी कैन यूज. ओके, देन नाउ यू विल मेंशन दैट, या दैट अबाउट दैट मेल कम, because any mail came or any letter came and now we are giving reply. Now we will mention that this one. This is the reply of mail that or this. Actually, how will we start? Please students tell, how will we start? Yes, what should be starting lines? This mail is in response to your query which was placed via mail, yeah, dated on this. ठीक है. Any other student? Yeah, we have to mention query letter and date or mention mail. Yeah, we have received a mail from you. This mail is in reply of your query. This mail is in the reference of mail letters, this dated on this. Shabash. This mail is in the reference to, yeah, your request white letter dated this. Okay, and now you have to tell the availability. So we will make a list of products that is available. Cosmetics के products हैं. Yes, you can mention even name also, cosmetic products. Yes, Shimmer, and this is, thank you for your interest in our company Shimmer and Shine, and this is a response to your query about the availability of cosmetics. Therefore, through this mail I'm letting you know, we are letting you know that all the varied range of cosmetics are available in our outlet. So we can just give some name of in bullets also. State that you make a business commitment only after 25% advance payment, remaining payment be made within 3 months. Yeah, you just tell your rules of that. In the starting we take 25% payment in advance and remaining payment be made within 3 months. Okay, and mention time period of delivery of goods after 10 days, within 1 week, or you can mention date. Would be pleased to answer any further queries. So it would be our pleasure that if we answer your queries. So is it okay? This one is clear, I think. And thanks and regard. Thanks and regard, and who you are. Thanks and regard. And in the last you just say Manohar Singh, marketing head of the company Shimmer and Shine. Because here you are just mentioning your body. After that, thanks and regards. Thanks and regards, Manohar Singh, marketing head of the company Shimmer and Shine. Okay, very good. Very good, students. And do people write mail? You people write mail to each other. You may have written, do you people write mails? It's a very common thing, and during this lockdown and because of COVID-19 we are using too much of these electronic mails. Yes. Okay. So next is write a mail to, okay, I am speaking now only. Write a mail to Miss Shikha Sharma reminding her of a business contract you have sent to her regarding providing infrastructure maintenance services to her company Global Solution. Write a mail to Miss Shikha Sharma. ओके अभी टू क्लियर है, हमें किसे भेजना है. एंड रिमाइंडिंग हर क्या है, पर्पस क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है. रिमाइंडिंग हर ऑफ, इट्स अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ हर ऑफ अ बिजनेस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट यू हैव सेंट टू हर रिगार्डिंग. आपने उन्हें कोई बिजनेस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भेजा था, ये उसका एक रिमाइंडर है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर किसके रिगार्डिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेंटेनेंस सर्विसेज टू हर कंपनी ग्लोबल सॉल्यूशन. You are Mr. Sanjay Johari, business head of Bloomsbury Infrastructure. आप मिस्टर संजय हैं, बिजनेस हेड हैं ब्लूम्सबरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के. आपने पहले एक बिजनेस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भेजा था मिस शिखा शर्मा को, ठीक है. एंड शी हैज़ अ कंपनी दैट इज़ अ ग्लोबल सॉल्यूशन. एंड व्हाई यू सेंड दैट? प्रोवाइडिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेंटेनेंस सर्विसेज, ठीक है. सो मिस्टर संजय जौहरी, आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेंटेनेंस सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू राइट? इज इट क्लियर फॉर यू? शैल आई स्पीक अगेन? Write a mail to Miss Shikha Sharma reminding her of a business contract you have sent to her regarding providing infrastructure maintenance services to her company Global Solution. You are Mr. Sanjay Johari, business head of Bloomsbury Infrastructures. Okay, so to Miss Shikha Sharma, CC, BCC, we can just do that. And subject, what will be the subject here? Provide infrastructure maintenance service. It's a reminder, we can say. Okay, so provide infrastructure maintenance service. And how just we start? He says it is a reminder regarding business contract sent to you on this date. Subject, reminder for providing infrastructure services. Very good. Yeah, it is a reminder. The contact sent to you on this date and no reply has been received. Try to write in a passive form, and I, you, he, she. Avoid this type of pronouns. We just write in a mostly third form and try to write in a passive form. So, no reply has been received till now. Okay. So, we can arrange a meeting, we can fix a meeting on this date and we can discuss all the all the quotations, all the details of rate and payment mode, any further details, any further clarification. Okay, if you want, then you are just free to ask. You are free to check our website. Okay, so we are just seeking meeting to discuss any type of issue that have come up. So we are free to ask, and we can just mention here some infrastructure, and we can mention here also our company. It's a leading company. Our company, that is business head of Bloomsbury Infrastructure, has been giving its services for last 10 years. So we can mention this also. So it is just like a reminder, thanks and regards. Okay. So last one quickly we do. Students, please be active and give me response. Don't sit like a lazy guy. Only few students are giving me response. That is not good. And mail, it covers a very important part, not in your examination point of view, but practically you have to do mail if you want to just do business with any person. So next we have the last one. You are Amar Singh, a team lead in project. Leader, we can say that is implementations department of cellular telecommunications. Okay. Write a mail to all members of your team asking them to attend a meeting after 2 days. Seeking their suggestions on ways and means to speed up the implementations of the project of improving connectivity in XYZ areas in the city. Okay, here we go. What is that? You are Amar Singh. You are Amar Singh, a team lead in project, okay, implementation department of cellular telecommunication, is it? So write a mail to all members, write a mail to all members, yes, of your team, asking them to attend a meeting after 2 days. What is our subject? Where it is? I didn't write. Yeah, asking them to attend a meeting after 2 days, seeking their suggestion on ways and means to speed up the implementation of the project of improving connectivity in XYZ areas in the city. Okay. So to क्या है यहाँ पर? All team members, all project members we just mentioned here, is it? CC, BC we can, of course, CC, BCC, okay, very good students. To all members, subject, subject बताइए, what would be the subject here? Asking them members for a meeting after 2 days, बिल्कुल ठीक है, okay. Yeah, so attend meeting after 2 days, yeah, okay, attend meeting after 2 days, okay, and it is hi, है ना, hi all, कुछ ऐसा हम लिख देंगे, hi all, okay, hi all, yes, hi everyone, shabash, very good, quickly. This is to inform you all, yes, we can mention here. What we are mentioning? This is to inform you all a meeting will be held after 2 days, or we can just mention the date also, okay, and on way and means to speed up the implementation of the project of improving connectivity. Reason देना है हमें कि किस रीज़न की तरफ से, we have to just state the problem, improving connectivity, जो प्रॉब्लम फेस की जा रही है, यानी लीगल प्रॉब्लम है या लोकल पीपल प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट रेडिएशन थ्रेट गेटिंग रिक्वायर्ड परमिशन फ्रॉम लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज. थ्रू दिस मेल आई वुड like to convey you all about the project meeting which is to be which will be held, which is to be held after 2 days, that is 7th October 2020. Okay, good. So suggestions are also, your suggestions are also invited on ways and means to speed up the implementation of the project of improving connectivity. So you are requested to study and analyze, then come in the meeting, because we are just giving prior information. You have to study, you have to read out all the aspects, and then you analyze, and then please come in the meeting so that you can give your suggestion. Okay, in the city. This is, we are just writing boarding. After that, thanks and regards. Okay, thanks and regards, Amar Singh, yeah, team leader of the project, that is telecommunication. Is it? We have finished this topic. Report writing. So I just say, sir, students practically go through and write. It's not report, it's a mail writing. You should write mail to one another, and if once or twice you will write, it would be very easy for you. Just you have to keep this format in your mind: to CC, BC, subject and that is salutation, and after that in a very concise manner you have to write your body of the mail, and in the last thanks and regards. So, I hope students you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.